Hey, folks, going to take a look at Apple. Hey, are we going to pump or dump into earnings? That is the question. Okay, disclosures. Of course, past performance does not guarantee any future success. So what would be a great entry price on Apple if it misses? Okay. So we're in this 5-wave up. That this 3 is kind of shallow compared to the count. So that's the first thing that I look at. So my first thought is there is a speed line, an internal line here that sort of comes off of this level that was our primary wave 1. So first thing I would think of is that 126 would be a huge buy level. That's the first thing that I see. All right. Now, if I was going to come in and look at this, let's say it broke down right here, which I don't believe it does. I think that 2 will hold or the 4 will hold, but let's just, for shits and giggles, let's see what a good retrace golden box would be, assuming this count structure maintained. In other words, it didn't violate the 4th wave up. So we should not close below. And for the sake of time here for the video, I'm just going to say we shouldn't close below that speed line there where we were broke out here. So let me just backtrack that to where it was because I want to keep it there. So I'm going to throw my golden box formula up here on my retrace count. So, if this broke down, we've already our retrace, typically you get 1 box. Very often do you get 3. So, based on that, your primary target is the 618 down, and then it would be the 1618 and the 2618. But I would say it would look something like that if we broke down here. But I don't see that being the case just looking at the chart where we are. I would think my next entry long would be right where I said the 2 would come in at, and you could scale in using fibs off of that if it broke lower than that. So I would say my next entry long would be right here. Then I would come in and I would throw a Bollinger Band up here with fibs. And then I would look at my next entry. So our mean is, above where the count is now. So, 1, 2, 3, our mean's right here at just below the 1618. So if I was going to look at scaling in off of this based on the count, the next place a logical line would be at the 50-day. So let's just say next entry 2 there, and my next spot would be another standard deviation down from that, which would be here at our 3. I don't think we would get a 3rd entry below that, but that's what I would look at as being a nice clean entry off that. If we break the, close below the 8-day, then obviously we're looking short, but we got to close below that 8-day. So, a good price to me would be a blend between 151 and that 143 if it comes down there. I don't think it misses. That's my 2 cents. Until next time, folks, great trading.